Yes, student, today we are going to prove one of the statement, that is prove that each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. There is a triangle, it is equilateral. What is equilateral triangle? The triangle in which all sides are equal. It means if we take triangle ABC, then side AB, BC and AC, all the three sides are equal. We have to prove that it's each angle, means angle A is equal to 60 degree, or angle B is also equal to 60 degree, and angle C is also equal to 60 degree. This we have to prove. So let us start the solution. What is given? A triangle ABC in which all the three sides are equal. It means AB equal to BC equal to AC. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. Proof. Let us start the proof. Now we have to use two properties related to triangle in it. Number first, since we know that if in any triangle any two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to it are also equal. This statement, this theorem we're going to use. Plus we'll also use the concept of sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By using that concept we'll get 60 degree. So first of all we have to use the theorem that angle opposite to equal sides are equal, because we have to first prove these three angles are equal. So let us write the statement. Since angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, therefore in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Since AB is equal to BC, this implies that the angle opposite to AB is angle C. Angle C equal to the angle opposite to BC is angle A. Again, in triangle ABC, now we're going to take the next two sides. BC is equal to AC. BC is equal to AC. First we have taken these two sides, then we're going to take these two sides. So angle opposite to BC we have angle A. So angle A equal to, and angle opposite to AC we have angle B. So we get angle C equal to angle A and angle A equal to angle B. Let it be equation first and equation 2. Angle C is equal to angle A in equation first, and in equation second it is given angle A is equal to angle B. So if we are going to compare first and second, it will give angle C is equal to angle A and equal to angle B. So from equation first and equation second we can say all of them are equal. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Let us write it in an order, and let us say all of them are equal to x. We have taken a measurement that all of them are equal to x. Now sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So in place of all the three we can write x, or we can say x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. This will give 3x equal to 180 degree. 3 is in multiplication, so on the another side it will go to the division, and this will give x is equal to 60 degree. If x is equal to 60 degree, so we can say angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, and angle C is equal to 60 degree. So this implies that angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree, which we have to prove. Thank you.